the first time you've seen it this tall, huh? How do you get it? How are you going to get it? Good spinnings. Good job. Very good. What do you think? What are you doing? Oh, you're going to go to your target? Excellent. Good target. Okay. Right here. Oh, right here. Oh, I should have said, I don't want to go. Ready? Try again. Look. Yes. Excellent. Target. Beautiful. Good. Very good. Okay. This side. Good job. Can you target?